Morning to all of you. Now, today I am going to say something about the chemical reaction. Chapter first of the chemistry. First of all, we take the chemical reactions. What is the chemical reaction? We have to understand. Here, chemical reactions are the processes. It is a processes in which new substances with a new property are formed. In these processes, new substances are formed with new properties. This is important thing here. Main thing of this reaction is that during chemical reactions, a rearrangement of the atoms takes place. Only the rearrangement of the atom takes place between the reacting substances to form new substances having entirely different properties. This is the main thing. This is the main thing of this reaction. There is only a rearrangement of the atoms. In this process, new atoms are not found or framed. Only the rearrangement of the atoms takes place. So, what is the rearrangement? Taking the here is a note. Only a rearrangement of the atoms take place in chemical reactions. This is very important thing. Here, this is an example. Magnesium and oxygen when react, magnesium oxide is produced. Here, magnesium and oxygen, these two reacting substances frame a new substance, magnesium oxide. When combined magnesium with oxygen, it gives a new substance MgO, which property is MgO. The property of this new substance is different to the properties of the magnesium as well as the property of the oxygen. In the same way, when hydrogen and oxygen are combined, then we find water. Twice H2 plus O2 is equal to twice H2. Here, the property of the H2O is always different to the property of the hydrogen and property of the oxygen. This is the main thing. Example, magnesium and oxygen are called reacting substances. These two are, which are participating in the reaction, is known as reacting substances. And the new substance which is found, these reacting substances is known as reactants, and this new substance is known as product. This is the product and this is the reactants. The reactants means all the reacting substances which produces a new substance. A new substance is called product and the reacting substances are called reactants. It means, it is very important here, in chemical reaction, reactants are transformed into products. This total, here see, this twice Mg and O2, these reactants are transformed into product. This total atoms give the total atoms here. This is transformed to the product. This is main thing here. Totally, there is no new atoms are formed. Only the total reactants are transformed. Examples, other examples of the chemical reactions in our daily life are souring of milk, formation of curd from the milk, cooking of food, digestion of food, rusting of iron. You always, these all things always happening in your life. Souring of milk, here there is change when milk is changed. Milk is the initial substance and the souring of milk is the new substance. Here formation of curd from milk. Milk is initial substance and curd is curd is new substance. Also cooking of food, its original, this is the change of the original substance into food. Here also digestion of the food. When food is digested, it is converted into new substances. Now rusting of iron. Iron is converted into rusting. Iron is converted into rusting. Initial thing is iron and the new substance is rusting. In all these substances, the nature and identity of the initial substances change. Initial substances, identity and nature both are changed because of the chemical reaction which take place in it. Because of the chemical reaction which take place, that there is a change. Milk is changing, and this change is due to the effect of chemical reaction. So whatever the chemical reaction take place in milk, this gives a result of the souring of the milk. So this is the total about the chemical reaction. Now next day I will proceed on for the characteristic by which we can characterize the reaction that is a chemical reaction or not. Thank you.